Welcome back, guys, to my channel. Special shout out to those students who are locked at home due to the ongoing pandemic. I trust that you have been zeroing on your books, while you play, because there's a grand old saying that work and no play make Jack a dull boy, and too much play and no work make Jack a silly boy. Alright, so just stay safe, guys. Observe all protocols. Wash your hands regularly. Sanitize. Stay inside. Alright, now this is a part 1 of several series, so look out for part 2 and 3, but make sure you watch part 1. Here we go. Today, guys, we're going to look at how we represent whole numbers on a number line. Now I'm going to give you a simple scenario of two persons playing a game of cricket. So let's say this is Guru. And let's say this is Pinky. Alright. So Guru made 15 runs. The hard hitting Guru made 15 runs. Now it's Pinky's turn to bat. So we're going to guess Pinky's score. And of course, Pinky may score less than 15. She may score equal to 15. Or she may score more than 15. So let us see if we can represent Pinky's score on this whiteboard. Now, if she scores 15, then she would score just the same amount as Guru. So that would be 15 equal 15. Now, what if she scores less than 15? So that would be all the numbers less than 15. So that could be 14, 13, 12, 11, and so on. Alright, let me erase this and let it be a little neater. Alright, guys. So 14, 13, 12, 11. Alright. Now what if Pinky score more than 15? Therefore, it could be 16, 17, 18, 19. Alright. So that reads more than 15. What is important, guys, is how we interpret these symbols. And I'm going to add 2 more. So therefore I'm going to use the less than sign and the equal sign together. And I'm going to use the greater than sign and the equal sign together. So let's look at it. Here we have less than. And if you notice, I'm going to make this true. So I'm going to say 3 is less than 5. And if you notice clearly that the greater than number or the larger number is on the inside here, the smaller number is on the outside. Importantly, out is read, we read from left to right, just like reading a sentence. Say, I am boy. We don't read it boy, am I. We read I am a boy. So we read from left to right. It's the same way we read these inequalities. We read from left to right. So it's 3 is less than 5. Alright? And we could say that x is less than or equal to 5. So therefore we have a variable there, x. Alright? Now we could say also that 5 is greater than 3. Alright? Again, you notice the larger number is on the inside. Smaller one is on the outside. Or we could say 5 is greater than or equal to x. And that's how we make this true and represent these inequalities. Alright? So now let us look at how we place these whole numbers on a number line. So this is saying whole numbers less than 6. So 6 is on the inside, so that's the greater number. So we want to find all the numbers that are less than 6. What are all the numbers less than 6? We have, let me use another color. We have 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, 0. I'll go to -1, -2, onward. So we can use shaded dots, or we can also circle the numbers. There you go. And that represents all whole numbers less than 6. And of course, we can draw an arrow to show that it goes indefinitely in that direction. Whole numbers less than or equal to 6. So it is less than 6 and also equal to 6. So we start here and we shade them in, or we circle them, and again we draw an arrow to indicate it goes in that direction indefinitely. Alright? Whole numbers greater than 6. All the numbers greater than 6 are 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. We circle them. We draw our arrow. Indicate we're going that direction to infinity. Alright, let's look at whole numbers greater than or equal to 6. So we're going to include 6, and we're going to find those that are greater than 6. 9, 10, 11. Again, we go that direction indefinitely. Alright guys, now to remember these symbols, the less than sign, just use your hand, make a kimbo, look at that sign that is formed there, and see if it represents the one on the video. So the one on the left is your less than sign. Do the same thing on your right side, make a kimbo, and that one is the greater than sign. So if you have problems remembering these symbols, just form them on your body and you are good to go. Also remember, you read from left to right. Alright. Now guys, represent the expression on a number line. Whole numbers that are less than 7. Also remember, the greater number is always on the inside. So this is saying whole numbers less than 7. Dam da dam da dam da dam da dam. think about it for a little bit. Think of all the numbers less than 7, not including 7. If your answer is 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, not including 7, then you are correct. How about that one? And you can pause the video and work it out. I give you 3 seconds. 1, 2, 3. And if your answer is all the numbers that are greater than 10, all the numbers greater than 10, except, not including, 10 would be 11, 12, 13, 14, on and on indefinitely. How about representing the expression on a number line, whole number that are less than or equal to 7? Remember, less than or equal, so we must include 7. Alright? So if your answer is 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and 7, then you are correct. How about this one? Whole numbers that are greater than 10, greater than or equal to 10. Remember, we're going to include 10, so we start from 10 and we go onwards. So that's 11, 12, 13, 14, including 10. Alright? Now let us summarize what we have learned thus far. Whole numbers less than 6, and we can represent that on the number line by shading or circling the digits. Remember, if it is less than 6, it cannot include 6. Next one, whole numbers greater than 6. If it's greater than 6, it cannot include 6. Alright? The larger numbers are always on the inside, smaller numbers always on the outside. Whole numbers less than or equal to 6. This is where we include 6 and those that are less than 6. Whole numbers greater than or equal to 6. This is where we include 6 and those that are greater than 6. Alright. Thanks again, guys, for watching, and remember, the joy of math is hidden in the answer. And please like, subscribe, and share.